No matter how you scoop it, constantly cleaning your cat's litter box is an icky chore. In this video I am going to give you an impartial review when I am covering 5 best automatic litter boxes in the market, which are the best for you. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance or its particular user use, if you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started. Number 1. Pet Zone Smart Scoop Automatic Litter Box. I was impressed with how easy the Pet Zone Smart Scoop Automatic Litter Box is to use, while still being very effective at separating waste. During our testing, this litter box was left much cleaner than other similar style models. The raking mechanism was super quiet and had minimal dust disturbance. Compared to rotating sifters, there aren't a lot of bells and whistles. It's a straightforward and simple product that gets the job done, and the price is much more approachable than other self-cleaning litter boxes on the market. In addition to being a solid budget pick, it's also a great entry-level option for pet parents who aren't looking for a ton of features. It's worth noting that the raking cycle begins 30 minutes after your cat leaves the box, which we love when it comes to cat safety, but like less as the clock ticks down after a stinky poo. Number 2. Mikasa M1 Open-Top Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. Robotic litter boxes can be intimidating to get started with. Luckily, the Mikasa M1 is a snap to set up, and it's ready to use right out of the box. The Mikasa has an optional compatible app that'll show you a few more metrics, but we didn't even use it for the first few weeks of testing. The self-cleaning litter box did exactly what we needed it to do without the complications of an extra app. The instructions suggest that users fill the machine with bentonite cat litter, a type of clay litter, but we used the corn litter that we had sitting around and had no issues at all. With the press of a button, the litter box sifts itself, dropping any clumps into the trash bag-lined waste tray below. The litter robot will also automatically run a cleaning cycle 5 minutes after it senses that your cat has left the box. You can change that duration through the app. Plus, the cleaning cycle is so quiet that we could place it right outside our bedroom door without being woken up in the night. Number 3. Casa Leo's Lutu Box. This tester favorite left us with no bad stinks in the air. Features like a fully sealed off waste tray, UV light, and multiple carbon filters work together to get rid of foul odors and airborne bacteria from waste. Connecting the app to your Wi-Fi can take patience, but once you're up and running, you can track health metrics and manually control litter box functions from your phone. In addition to successfully controlling odors, we appreciated how whisper quiet this litter box was while operating. It's also one of the few automatic litter boxes with an aesthetically pleasing modern design, available with 8 accent color options to boot. The built-in waste tray makes for easy disposal, but we'd like it even more if there was a dedicated empty cycle for when we're changing the litter. Number 4. PetSafe Scoop-Free Clumping Self-Cleaning Litter Box. Some cats prefer uncovered litter boxes because they allow for more space, which may particularly benefit large cats who have trouble fitting in hooded boxes or anxious cats who get nervous about enclosed spaces. The PetSafe box is uncovered and our large 11-year-old cat seems super comfortable using it. We love how simple it is to use and we appreciate that it doesn't require an app. The automatic litter box starts a cleaning cycle around 10 minutes after the cat exits the box, but it also has a manual button that can be pushed to start a cycle at any time. The simply designed box is less expensive than most others on our list and does exactly what we needed it to do. It sifted out waste into a waste bin, which we had to empty out just once a week. But, because of the open-air design, it doesn't do as much to control odors as some of the other boxes we tested. Number 5. Pet Snowy Snow Plus Self-Cleaning Litter Box. Though there are plenty of reasons to love the Pet Snowy Automatic Litter Box, easy setup, impressive odor control, and a low entryway, what sets this device apart from the pack is its design. This litter box is actually beautiful to look at. We never thought we'd say this about a litter box. The litter box expertly controls odors with 3-stage deodorization, a filtration system, fragrance compartment, and the enclosed structure of the box all work to keep bad smells at bay. The only drawback we could find with this box is that we had difficulty connecting it to the Wi-Fi for the first few days, which made it difficult to use the box at all. It really needs the compatible app to work properly. And, though it's a little more expensive than some other robotic litter boxes on our list, we chalk that added value up to its attractive exterior and awesome stink-capturing design. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price. please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it going to make your life much easier.